I would like to acknowledge टीम निमेश. बहुत ही बढ़िया ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया इन्होंने आज हमारे लिए प्रोग्राम. बहुत ही वेल ऑर्गेनाइज था और जो इन्होंने शुरू से ही तैयारी करी, जो एफर्ट किया वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया कि नॉट ओनली ऑन द डे ऑफ द इवेंट जो ये रिज़ल्ट आया है वो इसलिए आया है क्योंकि इन्होंने तैयारी बहुत पहले से करी थी. ये नहीं था कि हमारा एकदम ही क्लोज शॉट था. ये बहुत टाइम इन्होंने चक्कर लगाए, हमारे एक एक टीम मेंबर से मिले, हमें जाना और बहुत ही एफ़र्ट डाला और इसीलिए इतना अच्छा रिज़ल्ट आया कि सारे हमारे टीम मेंबर्स इतने खुश हैं. और मैं हाईली रिकमेंड करूँगा कि ये निमिष की टीम को और काम दें और हमारे साथ तो ये जुड़ी गए हैं परमानेंट. I would really recommend whosoever want to do these kind of activity, outdoor activity, he's the best guy. Thank you.
What apprehensions did you have or objections did you have before the event?
See, there was no apprehension as such, I would say. I was always clear after meeting you that the way you conducted the whole, जो info session था आपका, उसके अंदर आपने जो मेरे से सवाल पूछे थे और उस वक्त में जो आपने पूरा क्वेश्चन एयर किया था तो मुझे एकदम क्लियर हो गया था कि यू आर द गाय हू इज़ गोइंग टू डू दिस जॉब बिकॉज यू रियली अंडरस्टैंड इट वेल. सो आई वाज रियली वेरी क्लियर फ्रॉम द डे वन.
Do you think the event served its purpose?
Yes, of course. Otherwise, I would have not been standing here and giving you testimonial. You get testimonial only when your client is satisfied. So I am more than satisfied. That's why I am giving.
How would you rate this today's event out of 10?
I would rate it 10 out of 10. Because obviously there are always, we learn. There was few things which we didn't take care of. We should have told you in advance. Now we also learned that what we have to take care of next time. So every time we'll improve on the events and we'll provide you with the relevant information way in advance so that you are well prepared. Although it was very well prepared, but yes, the scope of improvement is always there.
One more question. What kind of companies should try to create such an event for their...
All companies, I would say. These kind of events are necessary. The kind of the change I am noticing right from today, just after the event and in fact during the event also in my team. So I would recommend that this is even, it should be without any barriers कि हमारा team size छोटा है तो हम नहीं कर सकते. This was there with me earlier, but obviously team size is not that big. We are about 40-45 people. So I would say that even if you have 2 people, you should go out and do this activity where you can just chill, relax and create that bonding without any barriers.
This kind of an event, is it a good return on investment?
Yes, definitely.
To next level?
Yes, definitely it is a good return on investment. Investment is, I would say, everything cannot be measured in rupee value में हर चीज़ को नहीं हम देख सकते. These things are beyond that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.